What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to continue working on the E30 and my goal is to pretty much strip out whatever is left on the car. Some small stuff here and there, those wiring harnesses, the fuse box, the air conditioning system and the headliner. And once everything is removed, I can just finally vacuum up the car, make it nice and clean and go from there. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Alright, so I got the whole chassis stripped out, and the back of the car is looking pretty good, to be honest, and then it's pretty workable. And the front of the car, I still need to look in the area if that's fixable, if I can find parts for the area. Mostly the subframe or the frame rails down there. And this area doesn't look that bad. I think I can work with that. And in the front, it's pretty bad too, but I can get a replacement for like $100. It's not that bad. And I can find these panels too for pretty cheap. It's not that bad. And the frame rail is really bad down there. And I'm still debating on keeping this chassis or getting a newer one. And if I decide to keep this chassis, obviously I'm gonna have to replace those areas. That frame rail and the one right here. And I still need to flip the car on a rotisserie to inspect the chassis carefully and decide if this chassis is worth saving now, because like, I'm planning on putting a better engine in this car, like at least 300 to 400 horsepower. Probably an N55 or a B58, so it's something I need to look into. Because the last thing I want is the whole chassis to twist with the higher torque. So yeah, I'll reinforce this chassis if it comes down to it. I'm obviously willing to put that work in, that's not an issue. And if I can get a newer chassis, I'll get a new chassis, doesn't matter. And if I can use parts from that chassis in this car, or use parts from this car to another chassis, that's not a problem. And the next video, I'm probably going to take a wire wheel and clean most of the rust areas and inspect it carefully. And I'm probably going to remove those quarter panels since I'll not be using those. Probably going to get M3 wide body quarter panels. So I need to look into that too. And I'm probably going to end that video right here. Got a lot of work done. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.